Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to configure Blocksy search bar filters. Okay, so on our homepage here, we have our header and our search bar, and we can type things, and we can search for them. Obviously, nothing will appear. Oh, but we want to um, either categorize these for pages or posts or products. So let's go on our top toolbar over here and click on Customize, and that should take us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, let's click on Header here on the left-hand side, and let's click on Search Box. And you can see we have our options here for the search box. We have General and we have Design. Design, you can see it's just colors and margins and fonts. And here we have our placeholder text, we have our sizes, our icon, and we have here some cool options. So just give us live results. We have live results images, taxonomy filters, filter visibility, taxonomy children, and we have search through criteria. So we have pages, posts, products, okay, and we can search through taxonomies. We can turn that on, and you can see we have our options here. So if we just wanted to show, let's say, just products, if we had a web shop, we can do that, and you can see we only have products here. If we wanted to search only through posts, we can go here, and these are our post categories. Unfortunately, we don't have too many example ones. We have our pages as well here. And you can see it's just the same because these are just posts, but it will let us search through pages. So if I put here about, it's going to show us the About Us page, right? And if I searched for, let's say, electronics, right? It's gonna give me electronics posts which have the tag power on them. And if I clicked on products, okay, now it's going to give us some options for products. So if I searched selected category and products and pages and posts were here, search for power, I'm going to get both posts as well as products. So let's say I put here power banks. I would be able to get my products over here. So those are the options that you have when selecting the filters for your WordPress Blocksy search bar. So I'll select all of these just so that we can see the difference. I'll click on Publish to save the changes. One last look at our default search bar over here. Let's reload the site. And now you can see we have some filters and categories available to us. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.